Turtle Wax Ice Sealant Shine is a premium, long-lasting sealant for months of impeccable shine, protection, and incredible water beading. Silicone, carnauba wax, and UV blockers unite to instantly lock in superior shine and protection, providing ridiculous weatherproofing for up to 6 months. The coating is safe on all exterior surfaces, including plastic, rubber trim, chrome, and wheels, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts looking for quick yet powerful results. The formula is super flexible. It can be used as a base coat of wax or a topper, and can even be used in direct sunlight and on the hottest of surfaces. For best results, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants, and you should let the product cure for 24 hours after application. For unmatched shine, protection, and water repellency, look no further than the premium power of Turtle Wax Ice Sealant Shine. Also available in a 5-liter size.